Hi learners, welcome to our another new session. Hope you all are doing very well and practicing your lessons regularly. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 aquatic flowers with their spellings and correct pronunciations. Please do visit my channel, subscribe it, like my videos and share them with others. Now, here we go. Number 1. Water lily. W A T E R water L I L Y lily, water lily. Number 2. Water poppy. W A T E R water P O P Y poppy, water poppy. Number 3. Water hyacinth. W A T E R water H Y A C I N T H hyacinth, water hyacinth. Number 4. Water Irish. W A T E R water I R I S Irish, water Irish. Number 5. Water forget-me-not. W A T E R water F O R G E T forget M E me N O T not, water forget-me-not. Number 6. Cape Pondweed. C A P E Cape P O N D W E E D Pondweed, Cape Pondweed. Number 7. Water hawthorn. W A T E R water H A W T H O R N hawthorn, water hawthorn. Number 8. Water snowflake. W A T E R water S N O W F L A K E snowflake, water snowflake. Number 9. Water crowfoot. W A T E R water C R O W F O O T crowfoot, water crowfoot. Number 10. Lotus. L O T U S lotus. Thanks for watching. Please stay tuned to learn more. Have a good day. Keep learning. Bye bye.